Hi mga Lodi, welcome back to my channel which is
Kuya Aaron Vlog!
So ang vlog po natin ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa
Five Below!
So papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung 5 Below. So, let's go!
Yeah! Anniversary!
Hey up, hey up, hey up.
So there you go guys, this is 5 Below. So we are going to enter.
Yay! We are gonna enter!
Oh, we're gonna look what's inside the 5 Below.
Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go!
Is she with this?
All of them would. Got big dogs.
Yeah, they would break it. One bite.
Look, Hello Kitty. A kite.
Hey!
Makeup. I already have a lot.
Look! I found it!
I don't have enough.
Pushing! It's not pushing! It's not pushing!
Eto, meron dito.
Where?
Where?
Bubuuhan.
Lego?
Click that now. Go. Can I have
Lego?
something? Look! There! Yay!
This one.
What?
This
Oh, I could build that.
This one! I want this one!
that one. Look.
You pick.
You have that? We have that.
No. I don't have that one.
Listen.
We could ask! Like I said.
I'll build anything.
Look how cute this is! Here, this is you.
This me.
Yeah, this is you. Ate, look at the plushie! Right
What?
behind you. Amaya, look at the car.
Oh, look. This one. This one.
Kano yan?
I don't know.
Look
I didn't
how
see
much
it.
pieces it
This is a birthday cake.
How much pieces?
Anniversary cake.
Amaya,
Look, celebration cake. Just do it for a celebration.
Amaya, guess how much pieces it is?
Is it supposed to be like?
Amaya, guess how much
Yeah,
pieces
because
it's
it
laggy.
has? Me want this. How much pieces does
No,
it have?
but it's laggy.
Oh no.
Look, it's like
Laggy?
pixel. It's pixelated.
You seen it before? 45. What is this? Oh, I know what this does.
So ayan mga Lodi, ang meron sila ay maraming iba't ibang klaseng, yan, meron silang mga
Doggy or something.
extendable tripod, yan mga Lodi, kita nyo, may mga kung ano-ano, table stand, yan, makikita nyo dyan, at may mga power bank na ganyan mga Lodi, makikita nyo rin. So, meron silang mga ganito mga Lodi. O, kita nyo yung unang-unang sinuunang film pa. So yan yung mga tinda nila dito. May mga strip light. Yan. Kita nyo. So $5 lang. So yan. Tingnan mo, meron din
Can we
mga
get this?
Hello Kitty. Magkano to?
I just found it over there.
May mga ganitong light mga Lodi. Tinitinda nila. May
Maybe this
solar.
is $5. I don't know.
Mga solar. May mga optical mouse.
Game of solid.
Iba-iba. Meron ding mousepad, meron kung ano-anong plug, saksakan, ayan. At marami kayong makikita dito mga Lodi. Yan, katulad yan. EcoCraft, dual driver,
What's this?
mga ganyan. Meron din ganyan. Jellyfish speaker, infinity bar na speaker, Bluetooth yan mga Lods. Ayan. Yung mga ganyan klase, iba't iba. Merong microphone. Yan, may microphone. Oh, may VR headset din. Yan, $15 mga Lodi.
For sleeping.
$15 VR. May mga headphone na tigpo $5.55. Yan. At yan, may mga ganitong malalaking Lego mga Lods. So yan, may mga sunset light na tinatawag, mga wireless speaker ornament. Ganito na. So, yan, may mga ano na rin sila, mga Bluetooth na wireless earphone. Yan, iba't iba, mga Lodi. Ang makikita nyo, iba't ibang mga klaseng earphone at headphone. Ayan, mayroong mga AirPod na mga lalagyanan, charger, may mga ganito, mga holder din, oh. Ayan, holder, phone holder, stand, ano,
Put it on.
may mga ganito rin sila, mga car air freshener, sign.
That's a power bank. You need one.
I'm only speeding cause I have to
What?
monkey. May mga ganyan na rin sila, wireless audio receiver.
I don't know how much this is.
Ayan, may mga yung sa kotse, mga car mount. So, ang presyo nito either $5, $3 dun sa baba, or up to may $20 mga Lodi. So ayan, mga ginagamit sa kotse, mga pang kotse. Nakikita nyo.
USB wall
Yan.
charger.
So may mga iPhone case, mga telephone case. Yan, meron din fiberglass. Mga glass. So, silang tinitinda. Mga mura lang dito. Yan, mga iba-ibang klaseng cable port. Ayan, makikita nyo. At may iba-ibang klase rin. May mga tinda silang ganyan. O, katulad yan, $25 na upuan. Yan, iba-ibang klase. $15 na upuan. Ito, mga ano, may mga rug. Yan, mga Lodi. At merong iba-iba ring vanity card. Yan, mga vanity, mga tier, 3-tier hanging basket. Yan. So may mga pag-game din silang ganyan, no? Malalaki yan, mga lods. Kita mo yung kamay ko. Gaano kalaki yung 1, 2, 3, almost 4. Nadip pa ng kamay. Yan, may mga ganyan. Yung hinahagis na buhangin, $25. So may $20, $25 mga lods. So meron din silang ganito. Alam niyo na to, di ba, yung trolley. So ayan, scooter. Ayan. Meron din silang mga malalaking blocks. Tumbling tower tawag. O, alam niyo na yan.
Slinky.
Mga slinky. May mga salamin, pang bathroom. May mga ilaw na ganito, pang kwarto. Feel good. Ayan. So merong mga pampusa, may pang charger, rechargeable, cable wire, may pang pusa, aso. Ayan, makikita nyo, may pang pads ng aso, pusa. So merong mga anuhan, higaan ng aso, ganyan. May mga toys, may Scrabble, may mga laruan, may mga baso, iba't ibang klaseng towel. Ayan, mga basket at kung ano-anong mga gamit. Makikita nyo mga lods. So ayan, mga kanyang caddy. Ayan, may mga ganyan, oh. Meron pa silang inflatable chair na plastic. Ayan, may mga ganito rin, mga natutulog na pusa. Yung mga, ayan, yung mga ilaw-ilaw na sinabi ko, may mga flower vase, salamin. Yan po tayo. At may mga laruan. Ayan. Ito yung mga laruan. Dito naman tayo. May mga bola. May ibang klaseng pang sports. Ayan. Mga ganyan. May mga barbell, dumbbell. Ayan. mga gamit, mga gloves. Pang support, tumbler, yoga block, yoga ball, fitness ball, mga kung ano-ano, stop toys. Ayan, kita nyo may mga damit din sila, may mga wallet, sandals, mga damit, iba-ibang klase. Ayan, mga laruan. Ayan, may ilaw, key light.
It makes sound.
Ayan, ayan mga lodi. Ayan,
Amaya, look.
may iba-ibang laruan, may poster, Deadpool. Ayan yung mga iba-ibang klaseng
Daddy,
poster, sticker. May mga pop, penguin, mga ano, ganyan.
Can we get this?
Mga ganyan laruan.
Can we get this? Look.
Ayos, may mga laruan nila, mga lods, mga kotse. Ayan. Ano, Joker. My favorite. Joker. Mga ganyang kotse. Ayan, may iba. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Sobrang dami kayong makikita dito pag pumunta kayo sa Five Below. Supposed to be $5 below, but merong mga 25 and above. $25. So, ayan. Ayan, may mga maliliit na kung ano-ano sila dito. SpongeBob, Crab, Shrek, mga pet, Disney pet, maliliit. Ayan, ramen, no? Mga style. At yan, may mga pang hair, pabango, meron din salamin, vanity mirror. Yan, merong mga ano. At ito yung mga damit nila. Kita nyo si ano, naka-piece. Iba-ibang klaseng design. So, ayan yung mga ano, pagpipilian nyo ng damit, mga design mula doon hanggang dito. So, ayan yung mga sandals. Iba, may mga salamin din, sunglasses, dress, short, medyas, socks. So yan ang makikita nyo sa Five Below. And may mga ganitong bag, see-through bag, $5. And kita nyo $5. Yan, $5. Yung mga tsinelas, yan, meron sila kung ano-anong mga ginagamit sa mukha, sa ano, sa buhok, kung ano-ano pa. May mga lalagyanan, pabango. Yan. Love Seduce. Bango na kaagad, naamoy ko na. Musical Sport, Apple. Yan, pabango. May mga cutics, may mga pang mascara, kung ano-anong mga makeup. Yan. May mga pencil na pang sulat sa mata nyo. Babae kayo. Yan, hanggang dun. So dito makikita nyo may mga nail cutter, may nipper, nail clipper ng aso, sunblock, lip gloss, pang allergy, may gamot na rin pala dito, Tylenol, Benadryl, kung anong sunblock. Yan, may mga supply at sobrang daming candy. Yan. candy, all around candy. Nakita nyo, pang disco light pa. Ayan. So may mga pang gift wrap, mga pang birthday parties, balloon. Ayan, pagawa nyo yung balloon. At iba't ibang snack, cards. Ayan. Then chips, noodles. Ba, may Hello Kitty ah. Hello Kitty noodle. Asia. 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 Ayan. Mga energy drink, sparkling water, poster, at marami pang iba mga lodi. Ayan, makikita nyo yung buong ano na yan, kanilang store. So yan, so tingin-tingin lang kayo, baka may magustuhan kayo mga lodi. Kung tiga dito kayo sa ibang bansa at merong 5 below, bisitahin nyo na. Marami kayong makikitang mga kung ano-ano.
I found the
I feel autistic being
balloon
here.
heart.
These are the same. This one's just cleaner. Blue.
Animals.
Ooh. Right? You like emerald, right?
Animals. What is it?
I know things she doesn't like.
Who doesn't like?
Ma. She's unlike me. Oh my gosh, calligraphy. I have this book.
What?
I read it.
What the?
Calligraphy.
Oh, beautiful.
I wanted to learn that.
What?
Calligraphy.
This?
Yeah.
What's calligraphy?
I read this book.
What's
Like a little bit of it. I read this one too. Or not that one, but I read the economy one.
I see it.
Metallica. Oh, I mean Metallica. Linkin Park. I said Metallica. Oops. What's that?
Bugs and ice. It's like pretend ice, and then you put
Give me that.
you put it in someone's drink, and they will think that.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in your drink.
No.
You drink it. See it.
Wait, I found Sudoku.
I already have Sudoku.
Yeah, no.
Oh, that's so. My friend would like this. He loves raccoon. I got that on camera. You saw that? That one, that one.
Gusto mo ba yan?
Huh?
Gusto mo ba yan?
Yeah.
Gumawa ka
Or-
ng isa.
I'll get whatever. You pick. You pick.
See that? You play.
Oh yeah, I know that one. I don't want this.
I know what I want.
Kuhanin mo na yung ano ba dun, yung kukuhanin mo yung earphone or whatever.
Okay. Get one with the case. I think that's a better idea. Alden, you ready? Wait, this is the game. Oh wait, there's mini ones too. Maya. Where's Alden? Come over here. Come over here.
Fine.
Go, you ready? You ready? I forgot. Try this one, try this one. Wait, let me put this in my pocket. Tote bags.
Maya, I found a Lamborghini.
really like tote bags.
I only have one in my collection.
I'm already here.
We can
Dollar-
keep this.
What is that? Remote control?
Forward is the Whoa. Look, a power bank.
Yeah, I know there's a Hello Kitty one. I'd buy it, but I already have one.
You
So you have to
can
link to
see
buy
that.
one.
There you go. Go ask.
How much?
This one's 5. This one's 4. Would you like a 35-cent soda? This one's 5. This is
Daddy, there's some over there.
There's a gun right here. Look, I found the dice. Look, the dice. Dice.
You think mommy would like this?
Mommy, know what I do?
Oh, it's flat. Mommy will. But she wants those cookie keepers. Daddy, look what I found. Korean barbecue. Ramen, tteokbokki, basically. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, where are we going?
Basketball.
Paalam na tayo. There you go mga Lodi. Papaalam na tayo. Kalalabas lang natin sa part below. Yan, so bye-bye na. So, see you next vlog. Mga Lodi, see you next vlog.
Bye-bye.
See you next vlog.
Bye-bye.
See you next vlog. Alright mga Lodi, watch the car.
Watch.
Daiso, Daiso, Daiso.